Alright, so, here we go again. By the way, is my mic working? Yeah, I think so. Alright. Kind of looking at some of the stuff. rustpython, I think, was made by a pretty cool guy. But... Oh, symbol table. Ooh. Okay, I think I do have to just download this shit. Time is money, they say. I want Docker as well. Maybe not. I hate Docker so much, man. Oh, that shit. No, bro. Fuck off. Damn, there's a lot of... Shield. Hello? Right. Oh, Wasm as well? Damn, not bad. Is this standard library for Rust or what? Oh, for the VM, I think. GG. Benchmark. What the hell's Thea? Git pod. Oh, does this actually work? I remember when I uploaded this thing on YouTube, it's shorts, and I got like 800 something views. I was kind of like, wowed. Huh. It's pretty damn cool, these. Oh. Cringe fucking memes again. 9:30, I'll probably get something. Order something from like a snack pack or some shit. Cloud and desktop. Wait, desktop as well? Oh, we have to build it ourselves or what? It's like the first time I've seen Thea being used. That's a Greek goddess, right? Titans. Oh, this fucking song. Phoenix. I think they allow that on YouTube. Hello? Why can't I click anything? It's fucking malware or some shit? Dude. You gotta be kidding me, man. Fucking hell. But I mean, that's what the UI looks like, I guess. Pretty much like VS Code. Activating, maybe. Whoa. I have Rust. Procedural macros, I guess. Yeah, how about you suck my cock? Oh, so this is the bytecode crap. There. Unconditional branching. I think I watched this video on like expressiveness, but I feel like it was a bit too superficial. I think I might have to develop my own theory. Come on, load. Oh, so you have things like constant data. This isn't bytecode. This is what the VM uses, I guess. This is just the Python library, I'm guessing. I don't even think it would be really cool if Pyenv had do that Rust Python? No, I don't think so. That is so sad, because it would be pretty damn cool, I think. Oh, really? Yeah, I'm pretty sure Bash uses like a hash table. This is good song. Hash. Oh, so they actually developed all this stuff, huh? Lemon, Swift. Damn. Hmm. So yeah, I mean even if they didn't use a hash table, it would still be pretty fast anyway because there's probably just not that many things you have to look through. Actually, maybe not. Yeah, sometimes there is. There could be actually, especially if there's a lot of like build files and stuff like that. That there could be definitely like a lot of config maybe too. Fuck. Do they, like, not have any... You gotta be kidding me, man. What? Maybe they have a readme here or some shit. I don't know. Yeah. iLib. Extra tests. Shit. Oh, so this is... Okay. Oh, it's actually using crane lift. Redox. What? Oh man, I want to kill myself. This is the standard library for Yeah, there seems like there's so much code for this kind of thing. Come on, man. What? Oh, oh my god. Oh. 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 What? Oh, Pyre died. Protocol. Oh, that's there. Oh yeah, alright. So maybe it uses index. Ah. Oh. Oh, is it just what? Oh, what the? Okay. I thought it was high for a second there. But yeah, I'm looking for the parser, for now at least. Do I alias this shit? Spell? Like, is this a Python shit? What is this? Spell checker. Oh, okay. Code, code spell, code spelling. Okay. That's actually not a bad idea, I guess. I mean, like if it's that big, you might as well have that, right? Rough text size, I don't know. I mean, Doc test. Use. Oh, did they make their own Lexa? Oh my god, I think they made their own Lexa. And he's remembering the indentations in the Lexa itself. Function. What? Oh, they have. Wait, Pio 3. The hell's Pi? Oh, okay. Pio 3. Um. Damn it, man. I'm not getting any, like. How the hell did that bigger one have, actual stuff, and this does not? Like, what? What? What's going on? Huh? Don't I have Mamba? Wait, why the fuck do I still have that? Now, ASDF seems like a pretty good idea in theory, but in practice it just kind of screws me over. Still not getting any, like, oh, now I am. Is there like a test suite or anything? Or maybe not. Okay, so that does work. And in the parser here, there. Oh wait, that's actually a really good idea now you think about it. Um, yes, so you can actually specify your code and you can actually run each. R starts at. Wait, are they? Oh, they're using LR pop. Okay. I'm not getting anything from this one. Wait, fucking language server just die or some shit? The hell? Whatever. Maybe it's taken its time to index everything. Maybe. Um, Man, they need a better algorithm for this. Jeez, I'm lagging so hard just from doing this. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck? Do I have multiple ones on? GG. Okay, well, I think they're actually wait, where's the wait, this is just LR pop, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that actually kind of makes sense then. Oh, it's print two. What a damn 2000 line fucking GG. Yeah, that's not really what I want to do. I mean, and then you need like a build.rs to kind of like, you know. Oh my god. Python.rs. Oh jeez. So this is like the full generated. Wow, bro. Snapshot. Yeah, well, I think using LR pop is kind of a cheat thing to do. Yeah, I'd rather not. I'd rather look at something a bit more. I think ante was a pretty good one. This guy is a pretty smart person. I think cop as well. Why does it keep doing that one? Damn it, man. Wait, do I have Docker? No, I don't. Because I don't know why it's telling me it should do that, right? I think this guy literally made his own parser. Oh, okay. Get out. Well, if he doesn't mind, I'm going to look at how this guy did his stuff. Jay Fetcher. Blue on. Thank you so much, guys. Really, thank you. Without your things, I will never be able to conquer the world. Oh, okay. Jeez. All the type annotations. Type name as well. I guess it actually kind of makes sense to make your own combinators. Oh, this is how he implemented many. Types. Well, man, F everybody. Um, okay, the first time that I've actually seen it kind of like, he's actually matching on the parse error itself, on the specific variant. I didn't even know you could do that. How do I, cost? You run? What does it do basically, right? Compile. Jeez. Yeah, I've seen this being used quite a bit too, and it's probably a good idea. Oh, it's cyberpunk. Oh, damn. I think that's pretty good. What's SWC? Oh, XML parser, CSS parser. How about JavaScript? Maybe ECMA? Transforms. Man, I love Rust. Derive span. All these. what? Oh, I think it's this one, right? Oh, wow. Wait, really? So you can actually just return, error, p result, error propagation. Ah, that's really good. Oh, okay. This guy must have worked quite a lot on this. I just hate it if I feel like I have to write more than I have to, but I guess you kind of have to. Sounds good. Oh, did he, ante? Fuck, damn. And look at, he uses, like, the lifetimes quite a bit. He does use enums for the kind of literals. He probably has one for expression as well. Function call. Structs and enums. I feel like I'm starting to understand a bit more about what they're trying to do, but it's still kind of. And with the thing with macros is that you don't get as the kind of syntax highlighting and stuff like that. Which I guess look, if it's a macro, then eh. I mean, it should probably still include like good like valid functions. Nice. The sugar. Oh, okay. Damn. So far, I'm seeing a lot of like traits, I guess. Loops. I mean, whatever, I guess. Oh, man. Band. Eat. So again, it's like let and then let again and then if and else. I think it's fine, at least here, but it can get really problematic. I feel like sometimes. I think being forced to kind of do a decorative only scheme could probably be better in the long run. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm telling towards. Again, is this structuring the branch? And here, I guess they're kind of going like, look, you gotta. Oh, all right. So he actually does do something similar. Then, yeah, I thought this was kind of retarded, but conditions. Loops are dynamically terminate iterate. Okay, so it's actually I think that's just defined as um. Oh, it's just built in. Okay, just like panic. Oh, maybe panic is not built in though. I think. Yeah, I swear to God, I don't think. Oh, it is built in as well. So it essentially, they're actually kind of different, but maybe they have different considerations or some shit. I guess that made me kind of nervous. I can't wait to play some Salmon Runner or Splatoon. Hmm. Might read the thing as well. I think I had that other book there. You know, I don't really see a lot of books talking about the data structure designs for parsing itself. They talk a lot about parsing, but not the actual like data structures and the traversals. Um, I think those are like probably very important, probably more than people think they are. Like variables, type checker, mutual recursion, logging. Oh, oh. Okay. So his kind of thing is quite nice as well. Except I don't really like these kind of like guards. I'd rather just have them on a new line if possible. Um, or just yeah, spaced out. I feel like just extra kind of like syntax type. I think they can kind of just create, some is probably good, but I feel like there's definitely way too much, especially in Rust, and you see things like pub super. It's like I mean, maybe if you don't really want to, but Haskell kind of gets rid of a lot of this kind of stuff as well, and you know, even small things like that could be useful to get rid of. Um, it gets rid of the parentheses, but I'm not really sure that getting rid of that is a very smart idea per se. Um, yeah, because if you look at Clojure and you look at Haskell, Clojure is kind of calling convention and general syntax flow is actually quite similar to Haskell, but I feel like it's just much more um, like intuitive when you look at it because it's just not as annoying. So, is this just what is this? Oh, yeah. Ops. Magic. Tools maybe. An API, no compat. Never mind. So it really isn't like a parser or anything. It's just kind of a runner. I'm guessing. Yeah. So it's already like I guess being parsed into some kind of JavaScript bytecode. And it kind of just works now, I guess. An API WebSocket, crypto runtime, fly, Dino land, Deno, Dino doc, Dino standard. Oh my god. Jeez, man. Is there like a... Oh. Let's try. Let's see how you do it. Does this even do anything? Does it get used by something else? SWCAST. R. Here. What's CJS? Common JS. Exports and shit, I guess. Oh no 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 no. Man, this web interface is kind of shit. I mean, it's better than nothing, but it's not even like this is okay. But but going forward and backward, it's just so laggy and clunk, clunk though. So half of these things are just tests. That's pretty based. Probably more. Capture tokens. Maybe syntax. Expression. Oh, is it here? This? Statement. What the hell is statement? Is it in the same file? Probably. What? Over here? Module item, maybe. SWC. What's SWC? Are they using the It's in the SWC namespace. Transforms. Is it like a transform or what? Damn, they have like a billion different like. I almost don't even feel as bad now. I think you kind of do have to just start off like that. Match token. Okay. Feels like that's almost as big as my parser. Rate constant. Okay. So the types he has himself, like, geez. And if you look at the parser he made, it's pretty good. I think. I think it's quite like Chomsky. Hope I'm not kind of going for too long. Yeah, and again, like, I'm not really sure if I want a language like this, where you have move and loop. Yeah, like a sequence block declaration or some shit that could probably work. Delimited by. So you can see how that works, right? You try to match it, like if you get the thing, you what? What do you? Oh, okay. You basically just push or you return. Okay, results. And here, you kind of match on G and F, and if you keep getting it, then I guess you kind of assign it to the new input, and then you match input on the next step. Do that for G and F. G. Oh, so that's just the limited by, I guess. The F and G. Okay, so once you encounter it, you can kind of just go back, just break out. That's kind of, that's pretty neat. One of the things you'll commonly see in imperative languages is the fact that you kind of have to like assign variables each time, and it could be kind of annoying. I actually try to play around with my own kind of thing. Um, you see, a lot of my stuff, I actually don't use a lot of things if I have to. I don't use a lot of imperative logic like this unless I have to. Yeah, I just don't like. I would literally just not do this myself. I would just like, well, I need to find a node, right? And then after I find a node, I have to match on that. So, I think like a better way to do this would be to allow people to kind of, well, first do this and not have to specify like the thing. Then once you've done that, it should automatically like click and say, okay, well now you match. So maybe like match. Well, you got to do this, right? Then you kind of match. Or like pipe. So in a way, it is kind of sequential, but you're always piping output to input, so that you're not just creating statements where something happens, but then you kind of just ditch the input on the rest of the block. And that forces you to be much more, I guess, efficient with the code that you write. And hopefully kind of make code just much less verbose and messy over time. Of course, I haven't even really tried it out yet, but you know, here you probably would use like a match, and you know, again, it's pretty obvious what you're matching, right? So you can just match the block. So look, I want this. Do I want to have? I guess it would make sense if you think about it. So you would have a don't care variable, and you would have a care variable. And then you could either kind of use that later on, or not. I don't know actually. Hmm. Compute. You do that. Compute two, as in match. Compute with the second argument or some shit, and then use that later on, stuff like that. Split at um type type 2, maybe select env. Select keyword is like a match, but not like if you're unable to select env, then it kind of just dies. So you got to be like really sure that it returns an env variant, or just a data structure that can be costed to env, or has the env ID, and then you could just execute on whatever the thing is. And for something like this, I guess you could just have a select as well. And if actually, yeah, make it a match, and if it doesn't work, then panic. Panic. So yeah, maybe something like that as well. And oh, maybe what you could do is you could do that, and you could curry it to partially apply it. How does that work? Does it return a function? Um, yeah, I guess it could. Yeah, that could work, and then you would apply that, and if you do that, that would have a much more kind of takes in an env and returns a function. Any sense at all? Maybe. Or maybe just take the function name first. Yeah, maybe that's something like that. I think the braces here, or the parentheses, actually kind of make it much more. It really delimits, tells you straight away what's a parameter and what isn't. The braces might not be needed, but for the sake of like just easiness, I'll keep them now. But in a way, it is kind of like Haskell, except that you're going to have to make things a bit more explicit. Maybe not this explicit, but feel like it kind of makes much more sense. It kind of tells you what's kind of going on. So yeah, I think I'll look a bit more into it. Experiments.